Hi folks, welcome to Camiguin Island, Philippines, where it's very hot and very humid. And what we're looking at right now is the bottom of my computer chair. And you don't need to be very observant to notice that it's broken. One of the legs is broken, so it doesn't work too well with that leg missing. That noise you can probably hear in this video is some people practicing for the Lanzones Festival. There's nothing I can do about that noise, and there is no quiet location I can do this. I originally wanted to make this video outside because the light is better, but I can't, so I have to make it here inside, and you can still hear that noise. Anyway, in order to attempt to make this fix, what I'm using here is super glue, baking soda, and sandpaper. And there's a lot of videos on YouTube about how to do this. Every situation is a little bit different, and mine is kind of unique. So I hope this is going to work. And this is plan A. If this doesn't work, I have something else I'm going to do in order to fix this chair, because I really don't want to buy another chair. This is actually a very good chair. The only problem is, of course, it's got a broken foot, a broken roller. The roller is broken off. So we're going to try to super glue the broken part back onto the leg, and then it's going to get reinforced with super glue mixed with baking soda, and supposedly that makes it a very, very strong repair. Whether it's strong enough to do this particular job or not, we're going to find out. Okay, I didn't show this part, but I roughed up all the edges, all the inside and outside of the sandpaper. I didn't attempt to rough up the part where it actually broke, because it's already kind of porous. And now we're going to do the tricky part, which is getting the super glue on there and putting some baking soda onto it. And I'm not sure exactly how this is going to go, but I'm gonna go ahead and just super glue the end of the leg onto the leg, and then I'll put the baking soda and super glue on the outside where it cracked off. Well, there's super glue. A whole bunch of super glue. Even on my fingers too. One of the problems I'm having here, I can't totally see what I'm doing. that sit. I'm going to let that sit probably for at least an hour. So I've got that sanded fairly flush. Now I'm going to change the camera angle so you can see what it looks like over there. So here we are, and I think you can probably see there's a big crack here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put super glue in this crack. And then, as quickly as I can, I'm going to put some of this baking soda in there. I don't really care if I spill a bunch of baking soda. So here's what it looks like. I brushed it off with that makeup brush, and it's still not flush, so I think I'll sand it and do it again. And I'll probably wind up doing it on the inside too. So it's been a few hours, and I've decided that I'm going to wait until tomorrow.
So I've gotten the outside done. Now I have to go to work on the inside as well as I can. This is going to be the hard part, really, because there's not a lot of room inside there. But that definitely has to get filled with super glue and baking soda. Well, I've done what I can, and hopefully this is going to work. If not, I have another plan, but I'd really prefer that this does work. So I'm sitting in the chair, and so far it all seems to be holding. I don't have complete confidence in this yet, but it is working fairly well up until right now. So only time will tell if this is durable or not, and if it isn't, then I'll either have to get another chair or figure out another way to fix this thing. So thanks for watching.